Take a moment to check out the 2021 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.